Hello everybody and welcome to this episode of In the Kitchen. We are in the middle of a blistering summer and my zucchini plant has been doing very well and producing a ton of zucchini. So instead of just frying it up and doing different cooking things with it, I thought that it would be fun to use a recipe that I found from King Arthur Flour for simple zucchini bread. So let's go ahead and get the zucchini. Alrighty, so definitely have quite the big zucchini here, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and slice off the end here and start grating it. The recipe calls for 2 cups of shredded zucchini. I'm just going to squeeze some of the water out of this so that way it just doesn't make the cake too, too soft, too moist, I guess, if you like that word. Most people don't like that word. Yeah, it doesn't say to do it in the recipe, but just something that I think will definitely help the bread here. Alright, so now that we have our zucchini grated up, let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the ingredients that we'll be using today. 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of apple juice, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1 3/4 cups flour, and 2 cups grated zucchini. Now that we've got all of our ingredients, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is put the sugar, the apple juice, the oil, and 2 eggs in the mixer here, and we'll go ahead and get those all creamed up. I forgot, that was also a teaspoon of vanilla. We're just going to add all of our wet ingredients here. Alrighty, so we've got it all creamed up here. So now we're going to take all of our dry ingredients into this glass bowl here, and we're going to go ahead and whisk those up. All right, very good. So now we're going to go ahead and add the flour mixture here to our wet mixture. And we'll give it a little mix. Alrighty, and now that we've got that mixed pretty well, we're going to go ahead and add the zucchini now. All right, so it's looking pretty good here. I think I'm going to give it one more mix, and then I'll go ahead and start to put it into my little mini loaf pans. All right, so I'm just going to use these mini loaf pans. It calls for a big normal size loaf pan, so I will probably get 4 to 5 mini loaves out of this, so we'll see. I just like them a little bit better because they're just a smaller size, easier to deal with. They freeze and stuff easier like that, keep longer. So yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and grease them, and then we'll pour the batter in. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour some of the batter in here. Just the same when doing most baking things like this. You just want to fill it up to about halfway, 3/4 of the way full, because it definitely will rise, and you don't want it to boil over in your oven. Well, it looks like that I was wrong on how many loaves I would get. I definitely just got 3, but no big deal at all. I think that they're going to be pretty delicious, so I'm going to go ahead and get the last little bit in here. Alrighty, so now that we've got them in here, the oven is set for 350 degrees. The loaves will bake in there for about an hour or so. I'll use the toothpick test to test them out, and then we'll let them cool for a little bit and have a taste. Okay, so it's been about an hour, so let's go ahead and take them out, and we'll have a look. All right, I think they look really well, so I'm going to let them cool here for a few minutes, and then I forgot I'm actually going to take some coarse sugar here, and I'm going to add it to the top, just to give it a nice little crunchy and sugary taste there. So we'll just let them cool, and then I'll take them out and add the sugar. All right, so we've let them cool for a little while now, so I'm going to go ahead and take them out here. Yeah, looking pretty good, I think. All right, and then I'm going to sprinkle some sugar on the top. Alrighty, so there you have it. 3 little mini loaves here of zucchini bread. Looks pretty good, but as you all know, now it's time to taste it. Yeah, so it looks very airy. It's got some nice holes there. You can see the the zucchini baked in there as well. So let's go ahead and see how it is. Well, definitely very good. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day, everybody.